Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. Depending on your generation of your Mercedes-Benz, you can change the look of the driver's display very easily, and I'm going to show you how. We're going to push the home button right there, and you'll notice that you have several different options that come up. We have classic, we have navigation, depending on what you want to do. We can go in right here. We can push right there. As you can see, all I did was select just like that, and I pushed right there, and that selects what I need to see or what I'd like to see. We can go to off-road, and we can also go to settings. Pretty easy to deal with if you want to have the sportiest look. Let me go back over here. Right there. There is sport. And you can also go over here and bring up navigation. Now, it's not coming up right now, but that just doesn't have that turned on at the moment, but you can see what it would look like. So if you want your navigation right there in front of you, you can do that. It just depends on what it is you want to see. I've had a few people ask me how to do that. That's how you do it. Very easy to deal with. If there is a particular tutorial, a question you have on a Mercedes-Benz vehicle or anything else out there for that matter, tell me down in the comment section and I will make that tutorial for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.